Hey guys, it's about 4 a.m. I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for work. And yeah, let me do that first. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower and I'm all ready to go to work. It's still about 4:45 in the morning. We're gonna head over to work and get to it. Job one, anyways. Alright guys, I'm here. It's about 5 a.m. Job one. Let's get to it. Got window washing this morning, guys. Whole bunch of it. Look how beautiful that is. I do a good job cleaning windows. The rain has put a stop to window cleaning. Guys, so I'm going to get back with you guys probably like right now, but it'll actually be lunchtime or break time with the magic of editing. Hey Carter, what's it like working next to a gigantic pricker bush on level ground? You just made the vlog. Don't fall down. How does it feel to take revenge? That's some pricky bushes there. Oh, that's not shutting off.
You guys read my windows, right?
Guys, so we just went on break real quick, and I got a little bit of a story to tell you. Riggy, what just happened? What just happened?
Which story?
What just happened? Like right here, right now.
The phone?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty much I get random phone numbers calling me. Honolulu, Hawaii, California, Florida, Ohio sometimes. And so I'm very wary when random numbers call me if they don't have a name. This person this was a local area because it said our area that we live in.
Yeah, it was somewhere right next to us.
I answered it, and it was a person I had no idea who it was, so I instantly hung up.
They called back.
And then Jamie answers it, and then I hear my name from the phone. I'm like,
it's a school.
That's mine.
It's a school he's trying to get into.
It's my tech school, like confirming that I have an appointment to go to.
I was about to rip these people apart.
It was bad. That was really bad.
All right, guys.
Do that.
We'll see you when we get out of work. Peace. Holy cow, guys! It is hot. I just got out of work. It's about 2:30. We're gonna head over to the bank. I gotta cash some. I gotta put some money in the bank real quick, and then we gotta go home, pick up some stuff, and go to Tire Warehouse and service Tire Warehouse. Guys, so we just got back from the bank. We got everything set there. I've got these guys real quick, and we're gonna go put this guy on and service Tire Warehouse. Let's get at it. Hey guys, so I just got done servicing Tire Warehouse. It's about 5:30 right now. I need to be at my next job, Domino's, for 5:45, so I need to quickly change and get to work. We drove it pretty close today. 2:30 I got out of work and we went to the bank. We spent way more time at the bank than we really should have. Came home, got camera equipment for the trip over to Tire Warehouse. I'm only going to be showing, or you guys already saw it. There's only going to be a little bit of Tire Warehouse because that whole thing is going to be another video altogether. All right, guys. I need to get dressed and we need to go to Domino's right now. Okay, guys. 5:45, and we are now at job 3. We're here till 10. Guys, we're officially on the clock, so I'm just gonna take you back and show you guys some of my friends. Everyone's about to get on YouTube, yo. That's Danielle, we got Mig, and then we got Shorty over here who's now a shift manager. Yeah, hey, fist bump. All right, I actually have to do something now, so we'll talk to you guys later. Guys, we got a new guy, I gotta introduce myself. Hey, Tommy. I'm Jamie, it's nice to meet you.
Hi, Jamie, how are you today?
All over the place.
Are you live on Domino's?
No, so I'm on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube, is that okay?
That's beautiful.
Cool, I don't need to delete this clip now. Awesome. All right, guys, so we just got our first delivery about 15 minutes into working. So we're gonna, oh, it's hot in here. We're gonna go take it. It's probably the last bit I'm gonna record here. We'll talk a little bit when I get out. Peace, guys. Hey guys, 15 minutes, $5 tip right off the bat. We're doing good already. Guys, it's the end of the shift. We're headed out. Well, she's not, I am.
I wish I was.
Say goodbye, Miguel. Adios, amigos. All right, guys, we'll meet you at the gas pump. Hey guys, so we made $40 in 4 hours tonight on top of our regular wage. But it's all gonna go in the van. The van's thirsty. She thirsty. So I'll finish up with this. We'll head home. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I still got to get a video edited before bed, but we're almost there, guys. Alright guys, that is it. I'm going to call it right here. I just made it home. I still need to edit a video before I go to bed, but I don't think I'm going to film that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If you're looking for ways to support the channel, there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. You can always like, share, and subscribe. Sharing and commenting are the two big things that YouTube really likes to see. Also, you can click on any of the links in the description below. They all help me out. VendSoft is a program used to keep track. It's basically QuickBooks for vending, and it's amazing. I use the software all the time, and I try to give demonstrations as often as possible. I have a Patreon in the description below. If you want some how-to videos on how to fix certain machines, that's where you're gonna have to go to get it. I charge $1 a month, and I think it's worth the value that I put in there. If there's a machine that you want me to do a video on, I also take messages on there as well. Something else that you guys can do, if you are trying to start a YouTube channel, or if you have a YouTube channel in the works already, there's a Chrome extension called TubeBuddy in the description below. That program is amazing. It has so many tools, I can't even begin to tell you how many it has. Check out the free version if you like it. You can purchase it, and I actually get a little bit of a commission off of that. Thank you guys so much. Remember to love life, live your dreams, and as always, be Farnsworthy. Peace.